making my way down to the start line here. It's about 7:13 right now. My race doesn't start until about 8:30, so I parked right close to where the finish line is, and so now we're gonna walk all the way to the start line, which is probably about maybe quarter mile to half mile. So it's a good warm-up walk heading down there. So let's head on over. Despite it being pretty cloudy right now, you can actually feel the humidity. I'm already sweating. Pro tip, as soon as they get to the start area, use the porta potty because the lines will get super long and you don't want to wait and miss your start time. So with that, luckily I didn't drink too much this morning, so which is good. I think I already sweated half of it off anyways. So now I was gonna start my warm-ups, stretches, make sure my muscles are okay, and then yeah, head back to see the start of the 5K race. So that will be really cool. Second pro tip, try to get your bib the day before, because if they do it the day of, there'll be a long line and you don't want to wait for that. Alright, now that the 5K is going, time to stake out our spot for the 10K.
Equal opportunity. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. I don't know. Runner set.
Without rhyme or reason, I'm not an optimist. I just never dress for the season. There's no reason. It's time to pay off all my attempts to make a bad move. Procrastination, deep down a need to take a wrong turn.
walk break. Whew, it's pretty hot and humid.
Don't know how to live life better. Maybe acting really clever. Kind of nothing ever, ever sees it. I don't know how life's for real.
Brutal with the humidity, but here it is, 10K completed. Pocket full of snacks, got my shirt, and walk around the pier a little bit, and then enjoy the rest of the day and have something to eat maybe. Alrighty, there you have it, the 2022 Santa Monica Classic 10K. They did have a 5K race as well, so if you wanted a shorter run, you definitely can choose that. It was great to see the running community out and about. We did have some pretty good weather at the start, but as majority of us pretty much was going along on our own paces, the heat definitely crept up and the humidity as well. So it got pretty brutal towards the second half of that run, but I think we all managed, and all we wanted to do was really finish, and we all did. Now, I didn't beat my previous time when I ran this particular race back in 2018, but that didn't really matter to me because all I wanted to do was cross that finish line, and I did. For all of us that finished, we did get some pretty sweet medals at the end of it. Well, this concludes the Santa Monica Classic 10K series, and I just want to thank you all for coming back each week to checking out my progress, seeing how I'm doing, and all of it coming down to this. So thank you very much. I really truly do appreciate it. Now, if you want to see more running races and all my other adventures just like this, do give this one a like and subscribe if you haven't yet, as I definitely have more adventures to come, so you do not want to miss out on any of that. I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. Until then, I'll see you all next time. Take care.